What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Persian Prince. You are tuning in to another Tech Tuesday video, ladies and gentlemen. So, I hope everyone is doing very well. This is my first Tech Tuesday of 2021, and today I am doing a product review of the Belkin Car Vent Mount Pro with MagSafe. And it's not just with MagSafe, that is a mouthful to say. But I'm very excited for this unboxing. Now, anything to do with the car and car tech I am all up for, especially since I got my brand new car recently, and the car as a whole is just like it's like driving tech. That's the only way to describe it. So what I'm going to be covering in this video, guys, is I'm going to be going over the design of the product. I'm going to be talking about the material of the product to see how good it is and how does it feel. We're going to be taking a look at who this product is for. Is it right for you? Should you pick one up, especially since there's a very long wait on it? We'll be taking a look at how strong the magnets are on the Belkin device with the iPhone itself, with and without a case. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to take you on a little drive just so you can see the device itself, see how it holds up in action when you're actually out there on the streets. So if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video, smash the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the video, what other products do you want me to see me review. So let's talk about which device is this Belkin Car Vent Mount Pro with MagSafe is made for. I just wanted to say the whole name again just so I got it right. So predominantly the only iPhones which have the MagSafe built into the phones themselves are the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And when we take a look at the device in the car itself, we will actually be testing out how well the device holds up an iPhone 12 Pro. So the main selling point of this device is that the MagSafe magnets in this are stronger than the MagSafe charger, and it's meant to have a very strong hold on your device, and it's advertised as keeping your phone securely in place while driving. So I don't like to drop my phone, fingers crossed that doesn't happen. But like I said, we're gonna go for a test run later. So the unboxing was very quick and very seamless. This is the device itself. This is the Belkin MagSafe holder for your phone. Now, first of all, let's look at the design of the product. It looks very sleek, very minimalistic. This is how thick that the product is. Just give you a closer look at that. That's how thick it is. So you see at the back of the device, it's got a clip there for it to plug into the vent. Now the ball joint on the back of the device, it is very stiff. Just having a look at it now. I don't know if that's just because it is literally brand spanking new right out of the box in the past 5 minutes, and if that will loosen up over time, but we'll see. One thing I am surprised about, and this is probably fault of my own for not doing enough research on the product before, but the material of the products. So the surface, it's like a nice non-slip rubbery style coating that you find. Despite the looks of it, the back of the device is all plastic. There's no metal whatsoever. I suppose that is a good thing because it makes it very lightweight. But the way it looked, I kind of expected the material to be a bit more sturdy. This feels slightly cheapish, especially for the price that you pay for it, but we'll see how well it holds up over time. So let's talk about who this device is for. Is it for you? Is it what you're looking for? If you're looking to wirelessly charge your phone while it's on the car vent, this is not for you. There are no ports on this device whatsoever. It's literally just the MagSafe interface with the magnets that it's got on the back. And if you basically want to plug in your phone to charge, you're going to have to plug in the USB charger separately onto the phone itself. So if you're a person who uses CarPlay a lot, such as myself, then this is going to be no problem for you guys whatsoever, because you're always going to be plugging in your car to the USB ports to activate the CarPlay. So Not good if you're looking to wirelessly charge your device, but it is good if you're looking for something which still enables you to use wired CarPlay. Okay, now I'm sure you guys have been waiting for this. How strong is the hold on the device? Let's have a look. So just looking at how strong that magnet is and just playing around with it for a little bit here, trying to take it on and off the case. It does feel a little bit weak, but when I think about it, I'm probably actually just putting a lot of force into taking it off. So I suppose that's going to be quite good when you're in your car. Unless you're in a roller derby or something, I think this is going to be fine for everyday use, to be quite honest with you. Okay, so this is something I've covered in a previous video about the case that I'm using, but when it's on the phone bare, it's falling off a lot easier than it is with that case on. So my joke about the roller derby may have been a bit too soon, because it's not as strong. Okay, this is like I said, I've talked about this in a previous video. The MagSafe is a lot stronger with a case on your phone. So it's almost like the more MagSafe magnets that it's got on there, it's building up stronger tension. But yeah, it was kind of scary that if I shook the phone like I did when I had the case on, without the case, my phone may have been flying off in a direction I didn't want it to. Okay, and this is what you guys probably been hanging around for, is let's go see what the Belkin MagSafe car vent pro mount holder, let's go see what that is like in the car itself. And we'll go for a quick test drive just so you guys can see it in action itself. Alright guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you a bit of insight into the very hyped up Belkin car MagSafe Pro vent mount phone holder. Honestly, I hope this gave you guys some insight into the product. I hope you got to see what it's actually like in a real life situation. I hope it gave you some answers as to whether this product is for you. It's currently priced at £40 or about $45, I believe. It is a bit of an investment, so I hope that you've got some answers from this video and that it helps you out somewhat. I hope you got some value out of watching this content and watching my videos. There's plenty more Tech Tuesday videos coming. I may be starting a new Tech Talk series as well, so please do look out for that. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.